Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that?
Viewer subscriber. Them get the loyal boss mad. Them get the loyal boss crazy. Hold on. Them man are showing you the real zombie sign right now. You know see what go on? Them man this DeVA BRATT brawling. Hold on no. Them man all this cargo. Hold on no. I wash it in a bag. I wash it in a plate. Hold on. I wash pedophile. Viewer subscriber. Take in the intro and make me jump right into this.
That's it. God's not rape.
Never.
I mean, I represent for Heinz boss.
You have to know that.
AKA Mr. Heinz.
You know.
I remember the man in a people and girl through blind. The man a lyrical, him give them the lines,
Give them the
and
lines.
him get the wines.
Oh God.
What this under me nose?
Up to the time. I'm out.
But when you see me, where you go do? Careful. In my dream. Must. No boy can box me. You don't know that.
Viewer subscriber. Let me tell you, oh, me pray that song. Watch her go on now. Cause you have some boy, you know. Them ever send shit. Yeah, man. Them a call man phone and make some talk. Them a send some voice note. Them live on the internet and make a bag of talk. So chance I'm making a know. So watch them, man. But you not go box me. Hold on, no, man. Anytime I saw no, do it. So the man a send out a warning from a distance. I'm making a know say, I'm not going to depend chatting, dog. Cause guess what? When time I saw up on the road, it's a different thing. Hold on, no. Make we jump in it some more.
Now make a bag of chat. Hey, but don't fuck your mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Brat, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
What? What the fuck? Hold on. What the zombie say? Him the foreign and make a bag of chat. Oh gosh, man. The man say Mr. Pedophile. Hold on, no. Viewer subscriber. The man had this DeVA BRATT. DeVA. I walk go on Mr. Capalat. Hold on, no, man. The man them jaw out is zombie. The man I make you know say boy. Me not play them the kind of game where you play. Pan the Gaza, you do certain kind of lifestyle. And where you at with Mr. Capalat. You know what I mean? The man say, hold on. I'm not going to that party. But your mother, I invested that. Come, I'm not going to do this. Make Shawn do it. Shawn somebody artist. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to explain to the fans them how much Shawn might diss him. You know what I mean?
Do with your mouth, feel like a cloud. Me hear him lax in a pussy, a jump, feel like a cloud. Them dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And I batty that one, the alley cold, feel like a...
Hold on there. I wonder if I'm real into a Shawn I said, another line there a while ago. The man say, yo, some things that man do for clout, you know, it don't make sense. The man say, yo, some man, two of them put their head in one place, all them locks are down in one place. Oh gosh, man. Hold on, no. Them feel like a clout youth. That you know do. And taking a tongue towel for where? Me don't even want to say that part the dog. Hold on no, man. Hold on no. Shawn, the zombie, the loyal boss. I know if a man loyal, you know, him not telling a lie. So it seems like he ever in fuck straight. You know what I mean? So one boy will get back straight. Hold on no. Bad song. Taking some more, right?
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar give to...
World boss, get the visa. Viewer subscriber. Let me tell you what go on. Me love the song. Me rate the song. The song, I said 10 out of 10 right now, you know. Cause I guess I go on. It is actually a diss track. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it like a big up all the boss. Same time, that song. Yeah, man, cause guess what? Some of them boy are cap a lot. Hold on. The man I make no say. No for them pussy they never glad say, yo, the world boss get the visa. I would them. On no can't stop a God bless childhood. And that the man I make no. The man I say pussy. Again, you not pre me style. Cause make it up me, you not pre me drive. Hold on, no. But you can't pre me ride. I wanna do youth. Hold on, no, man. The meds are your fuck. Viewer subscriber. If you don't like the song, press like, leave a comment in the comment section, make you jump some on that song.
Happy rhythm. Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash with it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it
Shawn, how will you find that flow there? Hold on. Happy rhythm. Hold on, no, man. The man say Gaza is unstoppable, which I agree 100%. You know what I mean? Man says street vibes can't dash it unmappable. You see it? teeth that teacher them put in there. But it's okay, a Gaza. You know what I mean? The man say, yo, see that code we have in the street, you know, can't crack it. Yeah. I don't know go waste man ends. I don't know go loose ball we have play. So in lack of place we lucky. You know, can't crack that code that you would. I don't know, push over, I don't know, walk over thing. I don't know, internet badness. I that the man making right. So, you know what I mean? Because what? It thing unstoppable and the code uncrackable. And some of them boy are cap a lot. Fewer subscriber. Make a snap. Full of fuck.
Long cut, we're untrackable. Move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him can't chew binocular pre. Me say be snackable, bout me kidnappable. Bitch, I am.
Hold on now. Hold on. Let me try to repeat all of what the dog said a while ago. The dog said, take away the girl and cut and trackable. It not hackable, shackable, knackable. Them girl chew binocle, I pre me say me snackable. But both them want kidnap bitch. I'm notable. Bump. Shawn Storm, Silver, hold on. The man digging at the box, dog, and take out. Hold on, man. The man take out a piece of rhyme scheme, this dog. Shawn Storm, me nah lie. Bad song, a bad song. Viewer subscriber. If you song bad, press like, leave a comment. Take in some more, right?
Married to my money and gun, we compatible. 100 rounds in the drum, ready for tackle you. I know sound I select, when me select, better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best for do it.
Gaza, no pussy test. Married to my money and gun. Hold on, man. Hold on, no. What a man say? 100 rounds at the jump. The best we do it ever a Gaza. No pussy test. You miss a cap a lot. Stop the capping, man. Give it a feel it or a snapback. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Me not lie. The song bad. Shawn Storm, you go hard. Shawn Storm, you find it. Shawn Storm, hold on. I should even call a Shawn Storm on a review. Yeah. If you call a zombie. Because that mood there is like a zombie mood. Yeah. With them lyrics thing and you know what I mean? Yeah. That style is mad. Me not lie. But if you a subscriber, Make me know what you think in the comment section. Make me know how much you grade the song. You know what I mean? You don't know, you know. From hear the voice, you know the Irons boss. You know what I mean? What is the under me nose?
I'm out.